good morning. For today's video ay Saturday ngayon and pupunta kami sa Nevada City. It's here in California at mamaya kami mag-church sa hapon pagkatapos namin pumunta sa Nevada. So mag-travel lang kami guys ng mga 1 hour. Malapit lang naman sa amin. Ito lang yung outfitan ko. Naka-pants, naka-vest, and then long sleeve na puti. Ano muna ako ng hair ko guys. Mag-ayos-ayos. Okay, gusto mo ba ilagay yung camera ko? Aking camera dyan. Daan yun. Kita niyo dyan. Mga kagamitan ko sa padding. Sa aking nursing bra. Nilalabhan ko yan palagi. Dyan ko na lang nilalagay. There is a new name written. It's mine. Yes, it's mine. Ayos muna tayo. Ang haba na ng buhok ko. Gusto ko nang i-cut yung hair ko. Hindi ako nag-blow dry. Shoes. Nagbi-video din kasi ako mga madam sa TikTok. Hindi kita. Sobrang layo ko. Mag-boots lang ako. Yung aking boots. Bagay naman pala yung outfitan ko. Tama na. Ganda naman siya tignan. Ay, hindi pala naka-record. Sige lang. Before kami alis guys, dinodouble check ko muna yung mga dala ko. Cookies, formula in case, breast pump, alcohol, baby wipes, Vaseline, ayan, diaper, extra na clothes. Then yung mga baby bottles. Mga baby bottle. Pang-pump. Gatas pa kung natira. Goods pa ito, inom pa niya ito mamaya. There is a new name written on the story. Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Gutom na ako. Lang kami, to-go lang kami ng food. So, labas ko na ba eh. Itong pump. Lagyan ko na lang, hindi na. Dalawang bottle. Lagyan ko na lang. Para sure na sure. Meron ako itong toasted bread. Kapag-iis na ang kusina. Meron ng gatas guys. Lagay ko lang sa galing ko sa hospital na na bottle. Ay na pala. Tawag dito. Tumbler yata. Pero nagustuhan ko. Lagyan ko ng milk. Para hindi siya masayang. Yung mga binigay ng hospital. Serious naman, pwede naman magamit. Why not? Kailangan ako ng gatas. Busin ko ito mamaya. Just put all the stuff in the cardboard, the bag. Put it in front because I'm gonna get Western. The cookies. Yeah, alcohol. Is that gonna fit in there? Huh? Okay, and then the milk, the wet wipes, and then the cookies. I'm gonna get him now. Yung kanyang outfit, guys. O, dinobol ko to. May ano to siya sa loob. May damit na siya sa loob na 1C. And then this one. And then may mga ano din ako, may blanket din ako nadala. Oh, baby. Namumula-mula. Siya nadala ng mga gamit-gamit. Oh, busog na to. Pinadede ko na muna before kami umalis. Ano ba yung dadalhin ko? Siguro dadalhin ko ng posted ko. Or, ay, peanut butter and jelly na lang pala. Gagawa muna ako ng anong peanut butter jelly. May pinipot in there.
Yeah.
Just gonna...
You mean in water?
Yeah, and then I'm just gonna get some peanut butter and jelly. You want something?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna make some because I'm hungry. I'm just gonna eat in the car. Gawa muna ako guys ng ano, peanut butter and jelly. Isa lang. So magtugo na ako ng food mamaya. Ay, hala. Ito yung ano, yung food na uso dito. Ay, hala. Wala pa naman yun, 5 minutes. Kaysa mabili pa ako, magbili pa ako sa labas. Mamaya, bibili na lang kami ng lunch. Ito, pang ano na to, pang piyan-piyan sa gutom. Ewan ko guys kung alam niyo yung language minsan na sinasabi ko. Yung mahirap ng pag mag-travel, yung ano, pag yung baby, magtae, mag-pop sila ba? Yun lang yung ano. Pero pinapalitan ko lang sa sasakyan. Hindi ako nagpapalit guys sa public bathroom. Public bathroom. Hindi ako nagpapalit doon. Kasi alam mo naman, madaming ano. Kahit sino lang yung gumagamit. Ito goods na. Ano ba? Oh. Very good. Punta na. Kasi andun na sila. We're leaving now. And the baby is here. Relaxing. He likes it. That's good, baby, because you recline it more. The car seat.
That's how it was last time.
You just recline it?
No, it's not the same.
Huh?
It's been the same.
What? Seems like it's way more reclined.
I mean, I had it at a different level the first time, but ever since then I've been at this other level. So it's been like this for a while.
Oh. Wow. Kain tayo mga madam. Kakain muna ako ng ng peanut butter and jelly. Nakalimutan ko yung gatas. Nako. Hindi na lang. Nakaalis na kami. Hassle na. Bibili na lang ako. Sayang. Tubig na lang at ganito guys. Naku, may kung saan. Ayan, kung saan nagmamadali ka. May palagi talagang may nakakalimutan ako tuwing umaalis kami. So na kami guys sa kanilang small town. Hindi ko masyadong maipakita. It's nice in here. There's a lot of people in here too.
Yeah.
Antique store. Look at the houses. It's a nice house. Oh, it's a nice house, people. Ayan, ang ganda ng bahay. There's a house in the middle. In the middle of the road. You all don't have a parking lot?
Huh?
Don't have a parking area?
Yeah, there was one. I just got to right.
Anong bahay guys? Mga old houses. Nandito na kami guys. Maglakad-lakad muna kami. So, pinag-prepare namin yung yung car seat. Hi, baby. Hala, it's diaper. I think I need to change the diaper. I think babe, I'll just change the diaper.
Okay, go ahead.
Because it's been sitting for like 1 hour now. Aww, baby. A baby. Ang ganda dito mga madam. Do I need to change him or just later?
Change him? Yeah, change him. He needs to be changed.
Okay. Yeah. It's cold. Can you get him? And then hand it to me.
And then maybe we should feed him before we go so he's sleeping the whole time.
Oh.
You should change him here if you can.
Not here, babe. Ay! Fart!
Just give him a minute.
Okay. Pagod yung baby namin. Ay, gotta change your baby. Oh, smarting. Umuutot. Oh yeah, seems like his diaper is full. That's right.
Almost out of control.
Really? Here?
Yeah.
Dito na kami mga madam. We'll just walk. Paglakad lang kami. Pinalitan ko pa siya ng diaper. How his milk, babe? Oh.
Yeah.
Kaso lang dito mga madaming homeless. No? Oh. It's nice. Galing. Oh, this is the place? Why? It's fine. Babe, can you take a picture of me here? Nice. Wait, take a picture of you. Nice. Order na ako dito guys ng pagkain. Dito lang ako guys, nag-order ko ng food. I'm just gonna eat here. Ako lang nag-order. My husband didn't order anything. Oh,
Oh.
kain tayo mga madam. I should have a camera here too.
Let me know when you want me to start recording, baby, because I just turned it off.
You can do it now.
Well, Weston's warm. I think he's got to be warm in there. It's a warm blanket. That's a really warm blanket. Ready?
Really? Yeah. It's supposed to be not the soup that I want to order, but I don't have a choice. I just order it. Yummy.
You didn't have what you wanted?
Yummy. Sarap. Snow bread. Ay, hala. Wish I could put my camera in here. Yeah, just that. Hala, it's nice. For my vlog. It's that, babe. How about you, babe? You want to eat something?
I'll get something later. There's not enough room in there for a stroller. There's not enough room in there for a stroller. Inside.
The place? The river?
No, the place we were just in. This place.
Too small. Did you check him, babies?
He's good. Just checked him. Okay, baby, I'm gonna take my arm away.
Okay.
It'll be fun.
Selfie muna kami mga madam. Ah.
Come on, son. It's like, take a picture. And
Tumatay siya.
no onions on it.
Oh. Sorry, baby. Wait, baby.
And that's it.
Pauwi na kami guys ng
Yeah, you talk
bahay.
with Sasha fix your work.
Order lang siya
No, it's
ng burrito para sa kanyang lunch. Ako naman uminom ng matcha. Order lang. Taco
Sorry about
Bell.
that. I'm just modifying your order right now.
Okay.
Hello mga madam, we just got home and ano ko, umiyak na yung bata. Pinalitan ko na siya ng kanyang damit. It's already ano dito 5. Ay. Pwedeen ko na muna to. 5 PM na dito mga madam. Ay, gonna drink some milk, baby. Gonna drink some milk. Inaman ng gatas yung bata. Inaman ng gatas yung bata. Ay, na. Alam niyo na yan. Basta bulagyan ko siya ng ganito. Alam na niya na ano ko siya. Tumatahan na. Milk. Thank you everyone for watching. Pupunta na kami ng church mamaya kasi Sunday ngayon. And that's all for today's video, mga madam. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2 with Blue Mark Check. God bless everyone. Bye!